Show you how to log into your Adobe Spark account for Makerspace. So you can find the link for your class in the Logo Design Interactive Notebook on Google Slides, and you will go to slide 2, and there are links for your specific period, 1, 5, or 6. So you will click on your class, and then it will bring you to this page where it has the class code already typed in. You will click Next, and then you're going to continue with your school Google account. So I'm going to sign in with my Google account, and then you're going to choose Enterprise ID and Classroom account. And then you can click Go to Spark. And this is your home page where you can now select to create different things such as collages, web pages, videos or slideshows, or you can also create other things here. And that's how you log in.